Welcome po sa ating programa, Jim and OG, your life coach, at kami po'y nagagalak na kayo po'y nakikinig sa atin pong programa sa umagang ito. Pag-uusapan po natin ang patungkol po sa 8 traits of healthy relationship. Sa loob po ng 10 minuto, sana po ma-share po namin ito sa inyo upang tayo po mapalago sa ating relationship. No? Kasama po si Jim Ron at ang kanya mga ideya ay share ko po sa inyo. Now, may mga tanong po sa buhay natin. What brings joy to our life? And what brings more beautiful, fulfilling relationship? Alam niyo po, hindi po pera ang sagot dyan. But there are 8 traits po of healthy relationship na binanggit po ni Jim Ron na that will make your world go round, no? For better or for worse, di po ba? Till death do us part. The exciting thing is that we can do much to increase our chances of having terrific relationship. No, simple act of kindness, simple fulfilling, no, simple act of love, show kindness. Yun po yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So there are basics that govern most of the human relationship, and these basics, kung titingnan natin, una po sa listahan natin is love, pag-ibig. Doon po tayo nangunguna sa ating paano palaguin ang isang relationship. Because love is a mother of all virtue. Kung titingnan po natin sa book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, even though I will give or bestow all my resources, if I don't have love, all things are in vain. Wala pong pakinabang lahat ng mga bagay na yan. So, ibig sabihin po, love po ang mangunguna. Pangalawa po sa listahan natin ay yung tinatawag na serving heart. Always look away or find a way to serve the many because this is the way that will lead to greater relationship towards greatness. Kung titingnan nyo po, ang relationship po na pinag-uusapan ko dito ay hindi lang po sa mag-asawa, kundi sa kabuuan po na relationship. Yung relationship natin sa ating mga anak, relationship natin sa ating mga kaibigan. Ako din bilang isang pastor, relationship ko sa church, sa leaders, at sa aking mga leaders na nandun sa taas. No? This is the way that we have to develop the relationship. Ito pong pangalawa is serving heart. We will find a way that we can serve. You can have everything you want in life if you help enough other people get what they want. Yun po yung sinasabi ni Zig Ziglar. You can have everything you want if you can help people get what they want. The concept is talking about is having a heart and life that is focused on serving other people. Don't worry. Your reward is assured, no? Nakasure na yung promise natin. The Bible put this way, consider others' interest as more important than your own. Always think of the benefit of other people, not yours. Yun po yung pangalawa na dapat natin tandaan. Pangatlo po, honest communication. In any good relationship, you will find open and honest communication. What is communication? Communication is a two-way process. It is both listening and speaking. Tama po ba? Hindi lang po hanggang tayo yung nagsasalita, bagkus tayo rin po ay nakikinig sa atin pong kapartner sa buhay, sa ating mga tao na kapalibot, kahit saan na po natin. Napakahalaga po ang honest communication. Hindi lang po communication, bagkus honest communication. No? This is vital goal in a good relationship to communicate and to tell each other what we are thinking and what we are feeling. Be honest of what you feel. It will enable us to make connection, no? We have to be sincere and truthful. Hindi lang basta sincere. At the same time, we should be truthful with what we are saying. If we will just communicate, we can get by. But if we communicate skillfully, we can work miracles. So do the best that we can to communicate skillfully. Pang-apat po sa listahan natin is friendliness. Put simply, relationship just work better when we are friendly with others. Being friendly, it doesn't mean na kahit asawa mo na siya, okay lang kasi asawa ko na siya. No need for development of friendliness. No. Every day we have to develop friendliness. Kaya nga po kung mapapansin natin, relationship starts with being a girlfriend and a boyfriend. Tama po ba? Tingnan niyo po yung karugtong. Boyfriend. Girlfriend. So, relationship starts with friendliness. Kung titingnan po natin, minsan, maraming mga tao na bigla na lang nag-jump in doon sa isang relationship without having engaged in friendship. Admittedly, sasabihin ko po, ang misis ko ay aking best friend. No? Yan po yung totoo. She become my friend before we become partners in life. And as even as today, still she is my partner and she is my friend. The fact is that the friendlier you are, the more you are going to have people who want to pursue longer lasting, mutually beneficial relationship with you. So cheer up, put on a smile, have kind words to say to other people. Treat people with a great deal of friendliness and you will see the relationship improve. Panglima po, patience. People being people, we have an awful lot of time for practice in the area of patience. People are not perfect and will constantly fail us. Tama po ba? We always fail. Even so I. Hindi porke pastor ako, hindi na ako mag-fail. But even if we fail a lot of times, show patience, show kindness to them. Hindi po mahalaga na, minsan kasi focus tayo dun sa accomplishment, sa goal na matatapos. But we are not thinking about the emotion of man. We don't show patience. Kaya nga sinasabi ni Micah madalas sa akin, Daddy ba, pag patience. Because patience is important in making a relationship grow. So often, I think relationship break down because people give up and lose patience. So, all kinds of friendship, no? Marriages ba, business relationship, o ano man yan, it will fail if we don't show patience. Number 6 po, bilisan natin. Loyalty. Yan po yung pang-anim, loyalty. Loyalty is a commitment to another person. Sadly, loyalty is often missing element in many relationships today. People no longer show loyalty even to their partners, no? Ang iba ay nagtatago, minsan may ginagawang sikreto na hindi nakaakma-akma, no? Meron silang tinatago sa kanilang friend. They don't show loyalty. Our consumer mentality has affected this to some degree. How? Most people are no longer loyal to the product, right? And unfortunately, many companies are not loyal to their clients or patrons. At yun ang nangyayari, which is from one brand to another brand. Tama po ba? This unloyalty causes us to, even with our relationship, tumatalon din tayo. I'm not saying na yung brand na rin ang gagamitin mo kahit hindi mo na gusto. I don't mean that one. What I mean is, they are forcing us or they are sticking to our minds that this loyalty is okay. Okay lang maging unfaithful ka, okay lang hindi ka maging loyal, no? As long as maging masaya ka. Yun yung madalas nasabi ng advertisement. But with regards to relationship, with regards to relationship, sana po hindi ito mangyayari. This kind of loyalty will take our relationship to a much deeper level. What powerful and secure feeling of knowing that you have a relationship with someone who is loyal to you and you to them. That neither of you is going anywhere even when things get tough. That's a wonderful relationship. Tama po ba? Number 7 po. Pangalawa sa huli, a common purpose. We have to develop a common purpose. One of the basics and healthy relationship is to have a common purpose. And oftentimes, this is the component that is initially overlooked. But for a long-term and long-lasting relationship, this is vital. This is necessary. Think about how many friends you have met through the years while working on a common purpose. My wife and I are working both in a common purpose to develop the youth ministry during our time. Sabi ko sa misis ko, during that time, girlfriend ko pa siya, sabi ko, in what way we can help these young men develop to reach their fuller potential? And she told me about this plan, this and that. No, during that time, we don't have yet a relationship. But when we have this common purpose, we understand that our desire is to help someone. Our relationship grows bigger and bigger. Our desire is in one direction, nasa isang direction lang. You had that strong common band of purpose that brought you together and held you together. Why? Working together, building together, failing and succeeding together, all while pursuing a common purpose is what relationships are made of. Whether we fail or we succeed, we should have a common purpose. Last but not the least, number 8 is fun. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean loud, raucous fun, though that is appropriate for some relationship. But even in business relationship, there should be some fun. It should be fun to do business with those you are doing to have a long-term business relationship with. If you no longer have fun with what you are working today, I will tell you to be honest, hindi na po kayo effective dyan. Kung hindi na po kayo masaya sa trabaho nyo, tumigil na po kayo dyan. Kasi it will never give you productivity. It will never lead you to success. So with regards to relationship, develop these 8 traits of healthy relationship. If you want your relationship to be healthy, develop fun. So take note of those 8 things. Once again, this is OG, and with the principles of Jim Rohn, OG and Jim, your life coach. God bless po.